Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I did a video on the US 100, a trade idea sent to my Discord group yesterday. Now if you haven't already, watch this video. It's on my YouTube channel, or you can jump in here. This is free to join, by the way. Feel free to jump in here. We've got the free trader zone. This was yesterday's idea in the free traders section here. There's a lot of value if you're trading the currency markets in here for you. Now, in this video, I talked about price action, levels, etc., and how to size up an opportunity, let the market invite you in. Here's the thing, over to the charts here. Let's just consider, this was the entry point for me. In fact, we'll go to 3-minute chart. It can be challenging, to say the least, trying to work out where your point of entry is going to be. When price moves into a key level of support or resistance, for example, this was definitely a higher time frame level of resistance running through here, bearish. When price moves into the level, how do you know when to enter? What I'm looking for when price moves into the zone is simply this: break of structure. Alert goes off over here in the alerts. Look at all these trade opportunities we've got here. High probability, and then we wait for the pullback, start to see it drop off, and there's your entry. It's as easy as that. Stop loss in this case was above these highs. 1 to 2 risk reward, mission accomplished. So at this point, we're taking 2/3 of our position off at target 1. This is in the money by then. Stop loss comes down, and you're simply trailing this cloud if you want to with the stop loss. You can get taken out there when it trades back into the cloud. So for tutorials on our trading strategies, everything's on my YouTube channel, but if you come in here, this is the free section. We've got videos, so just come into the channels through here. This is all free. Visit our YouTube, you can click that and go to our YouTube. There's all the videos on there. Breakout strategy. Look at all these videos. These, by the way, I think this is hidden on YouTube. Okay, I'm only making this available for members and our free members in here. So you have access to videos that the general public don't have access to. This is it, look. The breakout strategy, here we are. Video 1, video 2, video 3. So this builds on the previous video, video 4, and then breakout strategy advanced, video 5. Guys, take advantage of this. Watch these videos. Scalping 5-minute, support and resistance, risk management. And if you're really new to trading, this guy here, Rob, has a fantastic playlist. Lesson 1 to however many. Learn the basics of Forex by watching his videos. They're really good. Then we trade the London Open. There's a tutorial. Mind you, we go into this in detail in our VIP section. Join VIP. Shout me a coffee and cake every month at the moment, guys. Fibonacci divergence. It's all in here. And then, of course, we've got tutorials in here. So go through these channels. All the tutorials are in there. Learn how to trade and be a winner. Look at the results we're getting. There's nothing like this anywhere out there, guys. We have a full educational program that goes with this. So this is our VIP section here. Yesterday's trades. We're going to go through these and I'm going to explain why we took these trades. Okay, we had an Aussie dollar, we had a US 100, a euro dollar, pound dollar. Not only are there specific signals in here, we also have this section called order blocks, where there's a whole bunch of other opportunities that our members can consider. I don't regard these as trade signals as such, but they're opportunities. And the other thing we have is, if we go through these channels, you'll find videos in here. How to trade the currency markets and win. This is video 2 down here, and then there was a video 3 I need to put in here as well. Now, we have tutorials. We have this UK DP trade, I call it. All right, the dividend payout trade, quite lucrative. How to trade the UK 100, the dividend payout trade. Copy's another thing, but there's smart money. We want to know how smart money works and how the market makers manipulate the markets so we can gain an edge in the markets, basically. And then we have member insights, valued members in here with a lot of experience sharing incredibly valuable information, fundamentals. Big shout out to Alan. Thank you, Alan. And of course the chat room where we get in here and discuss a lot of stuff. Okay, so just quickly before we get into the charts, you can join VIP. I'm making this incredibly affordable at the moment. So if you click this channel here or head over to my website tradingwithanthony.com, shout me a coffee and cake every month and I'm happy. This will be going up at some stage in the near future. So what we'll do is we'll quickly have a look at the trades we took yesterday. Okay, it was the Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, pound dollar, and then we had a NASDAQ US100 trade idea as well. Into the charts. I've got these marked up in green. They were yesterday's trades. Start from the top, Aussie dollar. Why did we take this trade? This is a counter trend trade based on geopolitical events occurring at the moment with Nancy Pelowski, visit to Taiwan, pressure on risk assets, the US dollar gained strength. So on the back of that, I decided to take this trade. That was our entry point there, target one reach. And what we look to do is take 2/3 of our position off at target one, so this is in the money, and then we can pull our stop loss down and trail it. That was the first trade. The other one was the Euro dollar, and similar. This is in the money. You can pull your stop loss down and trail this now and sit on this for the rest of the week. Pound dollar, same pretty much. So I think that pretty well covers everything. Guys, if you've gained any value from the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, join our free Discord. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.